welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you guys how to make dry shredded chicken. In Vietnamese, this dish is called Cha Bong or Ruốc Say. Cha Bong can be made with either pork or chicken. Today I'm using chicken, and I'll show you guys how to make a very simple recipe with just a few simple ingredients. And this dry shredded chicken can be eaten with rice or porridge or sticky rice, or it can even be eaten alone as a snack. And this dish is perfect for one of those times that you don't have anything in your fridge and you don't want to cook anything, and you can just cook up some steamed rice, add this on top, and it will definitely satisfy your hunger. And every time I make this dish, I store them in a dry container and I leave them in the fridge, and it can last up to 1 or 2 or even 3 weeks. So enough talking, let's get started. So our most important ingredient that we're going to need today is our chicken, of course. I have here about 2 pounds of chicken breast. You want to use chicken breast because you want the meat to be as dry as possible, because you want it to be shredded into pieces. And over here I have my 1 clove of garlic, 1 shallot. This is a pretty big shallot. I'm going to use about half of this. For seasoning, we're using chicken seasoning, our fish sauce, and sugar. And that's it. That's all the ingredients. So as you can see, I have my chicken breasts all cooked here. What I did was that I boiled them in hot water for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then I take them out of the hot water and I let them sit so they can cool down. And we're going to shred them apart with our fork. But first, I'm going to prep my shallot and garlic. So for this dish, you want to make sure to chop up your garlic very finely. So you can shred the chicken with your fork. So you can shred them with the fork, or you can use your finger. If you have a Ziploc bag, you can put them in your Ziploc bag and you can just hit them like this. And you can see that the chicken is spreading apart easier so that you can pull them apart. See? So as you can see, my chicken is shredded up. I find it easier when I put my chicken breast in the Ziploc bag and I hit them a few times so that it can look all flat and it's easier to shred. You just want to make sure that everything's all shredded, so when you find like a chunky piece, you shred them. So as you can see, after I hit the chicken with this thing that I have, you can see that the chicken is all shredded up, so it's easier to peel them apart. And then you just want to mix everything up. So as you can see, all my chicken has been shredded. Any chunky pieces, you want to shred them apart because I don't want any chunky pieces. So the chicken should be done, and now we're going to head over and start cooking. So I turn on my heat on high heat and let the pan get hot. So after my pan is hot, I add in about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now I'm going to add in my shallot and garlic. You want to lower your heat to medium and just kind of stir everything up for about 30 seconds. So after your shallot and garlic start to golden, I'm going to add in my chicken here. And I'm going to turn my heat on high. And I want to continuously stir this because you don't want your chicken to have burnt spot. Okay, now I'm going to add in my seasoning. I'm going to add in my chicken seasoning here, about 1 tablespoon. I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm going to mix everything up first. So after I stir all the seasoning up, I want to add in my fish sauce. I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons for now. Mix everything up. You want to continuously stir your chicken on high heat. If you don't stir them, you will burn the chicken. You want to cook this chicken evenly so that it has like a golden color all around. And now I'm going to lower my heat to medium real quick, and I'm going to add in my last tablespoon of fish sauce. And mix everything and turn your heat high again and continuously stir the chicken. So after stirring for about 30 minutes, my shredded chicken is going to look like this. You can see that it has a golden brown color. This is the perfect color. And after that, I'm going to let it cool down. And if you have a jar or a container, you pour the shredded chicken inside and you store them in the fridge. And it can last up to 1 to 2 or even 3 weeks. And then that's it. That's how you make dry shredded chicken. Wasn't this dish so easy to make? And I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you guys haven't subscribed already, click that subscribe button. And I'll see you next time. Bye!